Text 54 to show the example of the Dhira Pragalpa Man, or a somewhat mild jealous anger. This is one Sakhi is speaking to the Sakhi named Pali. And excuse me, I made a mistake. This is Bhadra Sakhi. I think she's neutral party, or maybe in Chandravali's. She's speaking to Krishna. Devi Nadya Mayarchiteti Nahare Tambalam Aswaditam. Nahare Tambalam Aswaditam. Very simple, that's like Hindi. Nahare Tambalam Aswaditam. Hari, I'm not going to taste your tambul. Tambul means your betel nuts, pan. Like fold the pan leaf over and inside there are betel nuts and red katecha powder, katechu and limestone churna powder, and some coconut or raisins and other pepper, everything they can put inside. Some misri, rock candy, many different ways to make the pan. It's called tambalam. The whole pack is called tambul. And betel nuts, one of the ingredients. Betel nuts wrapped with a pan leaf. But generally Indians call it pan. But technically in Sanskrit it's called tambul batika. A little pack of tambul. There's tambul for the spring season, there's tambul for the winter, there's tambul for the summer. There's 6 seasons in Krishna Lila. There's Sadrituvan. There's 6 different forests around Radhakund and 6 different forests in the Braj, where Krishna can enjoy any season, any temperature, any environment, any ambience, any type of flower or fruits of all different seasons in these Sadrituvan. In Radhakund, in the Madhyan Lila, there are 7 forests. There's a Sadritugan. There's spring, and then there's dry summer, then wet summer, then there's rainy season, and then there's fall, and then there's dry winter and wet winter. So it comes out to 6 seasons. So there's 6 different forests, and each one of those 6 forests, one particular season predominates. The intensity of the sun is just like that season in Vrindavan or North India, what we call today. And that temperature is the same, the humidity is the same winter flowers or spring flowers are blossoming, the same birds are silent, or different birds are speaking. Like in the winter and spring and fall, you don't hear the koil, the cuckoos in Vrindavan. The cuckoos only sing in the summertime. And the peacocks are quiet until the Shravan, monsoon time. Then the peacocks, you never hear peacocks. Maybe 4 o'clock in the morning telling the bhaktas to get up for Mangalartik. Otherwise, in the Shravan Mas, rainy season, there's just all night long. Because the clouds are going boom and it's raining, rainy season. All night long they're singing. One group is singing to another. Of course now you hardly any left. But when we used to live in Ramin Reti in 1987, 89, till 5 years I was staying in Ramin Reti. 89, 92, that's 3. 87, I can't keep track. 87 to 89, Ramin Reti, then Sevakunj, and then back to Ramin Reti. So maybe out of my 17 years in Vrindavan, about 10 years in that side, Ramin Reti. And at night you could hear, rainy season, hundreds of peacocks. One group is in some corner of the forest, pow, pow, pow. And then they're talking to another group, pow, pow, pow. And you can, pow, 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 pow. 50 peacocks over there, pow, pow, pow. And then somewhere in the distance, a quarter of, maybe 1/4, 1/8 of a kilometer. Wow, 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 wow. So amazing. A whole more concert, more gun, more, like, more dune, more dune. Peacock singing. More means peacock. Fantastic, beautiful. Middle of the night, you get up at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, drop on the roof of Gurukul or some guest house around there. It was just thunderous sounds of peacocks. Incredible. So this is the situation. So this is the Dear Pragavanayak in this translation.